This is Scooter leaving the yard when he thinks I shoot a squirrel. Hunt it up!
He's behind the tree. I can't see him.
Oh, hunt it up!
That car distracted him.